The evidence his counsel had planned to present pertains to voice notes alleged to be between Modack and other people and photocopies of WhatsApp messages. The documentation is also believed to include reports compiled by police officers. The defense was on the receiving end of vehement opposition by the state, who described his attempt to present this evidence after only receiving it this morning as an ambush. It's also been labelled irrelevant and hearsay.
All it does, it speaks to Mr. Modack's communication with a bunch of high-profile individuals. I've never seen name dropping like this. I'm not even sure Hollywood would see name dropping like this. But not a single aspect in this Firefox document is relevant to any of the charges. Mr. Sipta wants to hand it up. With respect, I don't know. Mr. Sipta he clearly needs time. He needs to take stock. But he has ambushed us with irrelevance, with hearsay, with opinion evidence, and evidence suspected to be manipulated evidence.
Modack's counsel appealed to the court to allow the evidence provisionally, saying he would attempt to get the people allegedly speaking in the voice notes to testify at a later stage. He also says he's been hamstrung from the beginning because of not receiving the necessary tools from his client.
There's tough decisions to be made. And, but sometimes, Mr. Sipta, my lord, the stratagem changes. Given, and it's not your run-of-the-mill matter. So it does happen.
None of these excuses you're giving you, Mr. Sipta, with all due respect, does hold any water.
Judge Robert Henny would have none of it. He said counsel should play by the rules and not waste the court's time.
If it's prima facie on the face of it, as the prosecutor argues, you're inadmissible, which you to a certain extent agree with. You cannot take his case further. You, the lawyer, you must tell him this evidence cannot go in. I'm going to have difficulty with the evidence. The law doesn't permit me to present this evidence. It's your call. You say, I've had a look at the statement, I've had a look at this voice notes. It won't take our case any further.
Counsel can only advise.
No. Then you make a decision. Because I'm not going to permit a matter to be postponed if the only thing you can put up is inadmissible evidence.
The matter is expected to continue on Tuesday. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.